We'll go to Goa forward. आणि गोवा फॉरवर्ड विजय सरदेसाय तुमची बरी आमिजात कशी आमकां मातशी पळोवपाक मेळ्ळी असेंब्ली भितर. पॉलिटिकली विजया कडेन कशी पळयतात, पर्सनली विजया कडेन कशी पळयतात?
Personally, in the sense, there is nothing big personal happening because there is no much personal interaction happening with any of the MLAs. In the political setup only, I have two differentiation segments. Vijay was one of the instrumental and the best person whom I could actually reach out in the assembly. कितेंय विचारपाक जाय जाल्यार he was the guy. There was no one else whom I went, although there was such a big team and that half team was that side, so we didn't know whom to go. So one person to ask was Vijay, हे करपाचें न्हू, how to do, what to do.
Yeah, he's experienced also.
Experience and why I got encouraged to ask him every day basis was he gave me genuine answers. So very good plus point of it. Now the other part where political decisions is concerned. Politically we all say that the Congress is at fault, okay, and we proved to Goa and Goans that the Congress is at fault, correct? Is it possible, Pramod, that today every now and then in politics, by being experienced over the next 5 years, I will go back to my people and say, मुजी चूक जाली, म्हाका माफ कर. 2017 इलेक्शनां बसलो, मुजी चूक जाली. जिकोन after winning you go with the government, मुजी चूक जाली, म्हाका माफ कर. Then again now for these elections you want to tie up with the Congress, मुजी चूक जाली, म्हाका माफ कर. And again in the assembly you are trying to sign as backing up, seconding the deputy speaker, मुजी चूक जाली, म्हाका माफ कर. Politically तूच चुकी करतलो. जाल्यार what people should not look at us as a party that should do mistakes. आमी mistake करपाच्यो. Why should people suffer? Why should people of Goa suffer for your political decisions? Till now you will keep on saying I did a mistake. Everywhere you see, oh that I did a mistake, so I am sorry म्हणलें. When I say not sorry, but you will give a justification. So this is the political way of looking at it. And we being a new breed of legislators in politics, we do not take these things. See, personal one thing I appreciate for whatever today what we are talking is party politics.
Correct.
And he is a party leader. So I am talking about party decisions. When a party cannot come back every time and say sorry for my decisions, no? And why should people of Goa tolerate all this? So that is the reason, and it is not me who is talking this. It is the people who have given me these points to speak, and they are saying that is the reason Aam Aadmi Party is the trustworthy voice of Goans. Why the word trustworthy is being tagged to us is because other voices are there. But whether there is trust, past history shows that there is no trust.